Just gonna give a little spritzaroo. It is teeny tiny and it's got the cutest little doe foot applicator I've ever seen in my whole life. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, we unbox things, and I almost always drop something. If you're interested in any of that stuff, make sure you stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are doing my very first monthly budget update. So I'm going to talk about the things that I bought in the month of January, and did I stay under budget or did I go over budget? There are some things that I did buy this month or in the month of January that I still haven't seen. So that's a little upsetting, but I figured I'm just gonna tell you what I got and then I will unbox them when they do come in. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into today's video. So the first thing I spent money on this month that I'm very disappointed in is Ipsy. I spent $19.77 on an Ipsy bag. I didn't realize that I hadn't canceled my subscription, so I didn't cancel it. That's my own fault. I am expecting some other stuff from Ipsy. It didn't look terrible, but it kind of sealed the deal that I'm canceling Ipsy, and I'm probably not going to resubscribe. The next thing that I purchased was a foundation, and there is a reason why I purchased this foundation is because a wonderful friend of mine gifted me a Sephora gift card for my birthday, and I still had that gift card, so I decided I was gonna splurge and I wanted to get something that I had my eye on for a while, and that is this foundation. This is the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. This is the Pro Filter in the shade 160. It's almost a perfect match. I did input my Maybelline color in, and this is what it said was the closest to that shade that I currently wear. I really like this. I'm so happy I bought this. It's really nice packaging. It does retail for $40 something, but because I had a gift card, I only had to pay the difference and the shipping. So I did end up spending $23.22 on my Sephora order that included shipping, and this was that purchase. I did also get a freebie. I did get a little lip gloss from Rare Beauty, and I've always wanted to try something from Rare Beauty, so I was really excited, even though it is teeny tiny and it's got the cutest little doe foot applicator I've ever seen in my whole life. It's a very nice, sorry, you can see I was doing a video earlier. It's a very nice, rich, creamy gloss. Let's just put a little bit on. I don't know why I'm putting it on my hand. Yeah, I like it a lot. Sits on the lips really well. Only used it a few times. You will probably see this in an empty video soon because it probably won't take me too long to use, but I was really excited for this. Now I did these two things. I didn't spend any money on because they were sent to me for free, but I want to talk about them because they're new to my collection. So this is the Lancome Idol Intense Perfume. Top Box sent this to me as a freebie. I was really excited. Just gonna give a little spritzaroo. It smells very nice. I have no real complaints. Then we do have the matching mascara to go with it. I love Lancome mascara, so this is very nice. It's got a nice wand. I also like that it is just a sample size, so I will probably be able to finish it up. That is one thing with, I wish all mascaras came in small sizes as well. I would totally buy I'd be more likely to buy a small size of something rather than a full size, because I know I won't use the full size because I go through too much stuff, especially for the purposes of YouTube. Yeah, there, rant over. All right, so those are those items. I did also pick up these two cute little bite-size eyeshadow palettes from e.l.f. This is Cream and Sugar, and then this one is in the shade Berry Bad. I haven't swatched them. I haven't tried them yet. I picked these up on the last day of the month. I just happened to be walking through Walmart and saw them, and I was like, $3 each or $4 each, but bam. They work out to about $4 each with tax, so that's $8. And then last but not least, I'm so mad at myself for this. I had a moment of weakness where it was one of those impulse moments, which I was talking about earlier, where I had an impulse to buy something, and it was BoxyCharm. And the reason I did it was because I saw that they had something on sale, and it was the Murad cleanser that I got in a BoxyCharm not long ago, and it was a BOGO. But So I went and, like, without even hesitating, went in and resubscribed to BoxyCharm. Just didn't even give it a second thought. Went in to do the add-ons, and that item that I was looking for was no longer there. Couldn't buy what I wanted. So now I have a BoxyCharm order on the way that I didn't really want, I didn't really need, that I spent $41 Canadian on. And I regret that, because that's just, I would have rather spent that money on this month's BoxyCharm, which now I'm probably not going to get because it's only February 5th and I'm already $63 in the hole out of my $100. I'm not happy with it. It's myself. I'm not happy with myself because I forget that I haven't canceled things and then they renew. So everything I think is now, I've fixed everything, so I shouldn't have any more accidental surprises. But it just kind of pisses me off because I really wanted to buy things this month and now I really shouldn't. I should wait. But it's Valentine's Day. All the Valentine's Day stuff's coming out and I'm like, oh, I want it all. I want it all. So other than that, I will tell you what my total for this month was. I spent $91.99. And let me know what you thought of today's video. Do you like this idea of me showing you things that I do order in the month? I am happy with the things that I got this month, except for I'm not happy with the Ipsy at all. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I absolutely love doing these types of videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for hanging out. Bye for now. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see my thoughts on Ipsy, because their marketing tactics right now are starting to get to me, and it's making it so I probably won't ever buy from them again. Let me know, do you want to see a video about that? Because I feel like I could make a video about my reasoning for never joining Ipsy again.